Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you. Would like to welcome to all. My name is Tapas Kumar Pradhan. I am teaching at SSB lecture. I am a faculty of the political science. So today we are here to discuss the Panchayat Raj Act with special reference to the Odisha. Okay, and it's very important topic for the exam point of view, especially for the exam of the SSB lecture, PGT and OPSC PGT. So guys, when we talk about the Panchayat Raj Act, we need to understand the objective of the Panchayat Raj institutions. Why the Panchayat Raj institution at the first place created at the rural level? What is the requirement of that? So the objective of the Panchayat Raj institution we need to understand, and our focus would be emphasize only the examination for the SSB lecture and your the PGT. Okay, PGT Odisha. Okay, guys. So without delay, let's start our today discussion. And I would like to request to all of you, if you are new our channel, do subscribe our channel, do press the bell icon and do share with your friends. So this is my humble request to my all dear student. So dear friends, so a Panchayat Raj Act with special reference to Odisha. Okay. So before switch to our the topic, let's try to understand the objective of the Panchayat Raj institution. Now Panchayat Raj institution, the first and foremost, the decentralization of the power. Okay, decentralization of the power means what? The power should be in the hand of the local representative or the local people. That is how decentralization of the power and local solution to the local problem. So the different political institution like Panchayat Raj institution at the local level provide a local solution to the local problem. Okay, and Panchayat Raj institution, as we all know, it is a dream of our founding father, the Mahatma Gandhi, and it also the example of the direct democracy in which the different member of a panchayat take part in the Grama Sabha. Okay, and it is also the example of the political development to develop it also and secure the autonomy and welfare of the marginalized and backward section of the society. And in the last not the least, it also promote the federalism, promote the democratizations and also recognize the diversity. So this is how the objective of the Panchayat Raj or the PRI, objective of the Panchayat Raj institution. So let's see the fact and figure with respect to our Panchayat Raj with special reference to Odisha, which is very crucial for your SSB lecture and the PGT examination 2024. So guys, let's start. So here the Odisha claimed to be a first state to introduce the village panchayat through the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1948. So here one questions. तो ये गोटे तुम क्वेश्चन पचार जीव ना क्यों मसीह दैट ओडिशा इंट्रोड्यूस अ विलेज पंचायत और ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट केबे ना 1948 एंड Odisha the first state to introduce the village panchayat through Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1948. Very important from the exam point of view. So important for exam. Okay, the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1948, in which now Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1948, that Odisha claimed to be first state to introduce the village panchayat through the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1948. And can anyone tell me that which provision of the Indian Constitution believes the village panchayat or highlights regarding village panchayat? Which part of the Constitution talks about village panchayat, or which article talks about the village panchayat? So it is your homework. Okay, then the after the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1948, it also amended the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act in 1964, that is known as the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1964. So first kebe introduce hoitila Odisha Grama Panchayat Act, it's 1948. Then subsequently in 1964 amendment heitila amro kono na Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1964. After that the Panchayat Samiti Act 659 and Jilla Parishad Act 1959. Okay, can anyone tell me in which year Balwanta Rai Mehta Committee was constituted? Okay, କେଉଁ ବର୍ଷ ବଳବନ୍ତ ରାୟ ମେହେଟା କମିଟି ଆମର ଗଠନ ହୋଇଥିଲା? ସୋ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଦ ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ବଳବନ୍ତ ରାୟ ମେହେଟା କମିଟି the Panchayat Samiti Act and Jilla Parishad Act 1959 was introduced. Okay, so the Panchayat Samiti Act and Jilla Parishad Act was introduced in 1959 following the recommendation of your Balbantarai Mehta committee. Okay guys, so that is how important thing, the two thing you need to remember here. Then the landmark in 1991 Biju Patnaik, okay, Janata Dala, from Janata Dala, Biju Patnaik introduced the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1991. Okay, Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1991 and Odisha Panchayat Samiti Act 1991. Odisha Panchayat Samiti Act 1991 and Jilla Parishad Act 1991. तो जनता दल जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बिजू पट्टनायक होचंती से टाइम रो कोन ना सीएम चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा. सो इंट्रोड्यूस व्हाट ना ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट 91, ओडिशा पंचायत समिति एक्ट 1991 and Jilla Parishad Act 91. So under the chief minister of the Biju Patnaik, 33% reservation for women in Panchayat Raj institution provided under the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act 1991. तो ये गोटे क्वेश्चन आराइज है ना क्यों चीफ मिनिस्टर टाइम रे 33% रिजर्वेशन वोमेन मान दिगला फॉर द इन द लोकल बॉडी, रूरल लोकल बॉडी. ओके 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 दैट इज हाउ द बिजू पट्टनायक फर्स्ट थिंग्स. सेकेंड थिंग से पचार दे पारती अंडर व्हिच गवर्नमेंट, देन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द आमर कौन ना बिजू पट्टनायक द फर्स्ट थिंग अंडर व्हिच पॉलिटिकल पार्टी और व्हिच गवर्नमेंट, द जनता दल गवर्नमेंट. ओके 33% रिजर्वेशन अंडर व्हिच ना ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट 1991. ओके दैट थिंग यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. ओके आफ्टर द 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट किंतु भारत रे केबे हमर पंचायत राज सिस्टम को लीगलाइज बा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलाइज करागला ना 73 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट द्वारा 1992 रे हला, जोटा कि केम टू फोर्स 1993 रे हला. किंतु ता बिफोर रू हमर कोन हला माइंड योर ऑल अंडर द 1991 ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट ओडिशा इंट्रोड्यूस द 33% रिजर्वेशन फॉर वुमेन बिफोर द 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट. 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट केबे हला ना 1992 रे हला. किंतु ता पूर्वरु ओडिशा 1991 रे ही 33% रिजर्वेशन वुमेन मान को दिया गला. ओके अंडर द ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट 1991, जोटा कि अमेंडमेंट हमर कोडा गला को एक्ट को ना इट अमेंडेड द व्हाट द जिला योर 1964 द ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट. ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट 1964 पुणी अमेंडमेंट केबे हला ना 1991 रे हला. ओके 1991 रे हमर कोन हला ना ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट अमेंडमेंट हला, जोटा कि हमें कहउचंदी ना ओडिशा ग्राम पंचायत एक्ट 1991. अंडर दिस 33% रिजर्वेशन फॉर वुमेन provided in the Panchayat Raj institution. That thing you need to remember, very very important from the exam point of view. So we can conclude here that before 1992 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, Odisha have already introduced the 33% reservation for women in Panchayat Raj institution. Getting my point? That's the thing. Then after following the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, in 1997 Odisha conducted the election for PRI, and that time it was 5261 panchayat. Okay, the 5261 panchayat during the 1997. Following the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, Odisha conducted the election for PRI, and that time it was the 5261 panchayat. Okay, the time of 1997, that you need to remember the very very important things, that they can ask the question that during the time of 1997 how many panchayat are there. Now 5261 panchayat is there. Okay, and the election was conducted following the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. However, in 2012, Odisha introduced the 50% reservation for women in rural local body. So many states in India introduced the 50% reservation for women in the rural local bodies, and Odisha in 2012 introduced the 50% reservation for women in rural local body. It's very very important. And it a question आसुची ना वर्तमान ओडिशा रिजर्वेशन कैटेगरी कौन अच्छी रूरल लोकल बॉडी रे 33% अच्छी ना 50% अच्छी. व्हाट इज द criteria for the reservation for women in the rural local body in Odisha, considering the current circumstance? So that you need to explore that. As much as the information with me, 33% reservation for the women according to the what na the 73rd constitutional amendment act, that it applicable to each and every states. Okay, that getting my point, that right now 33%, and you need to explore that thing, that in 2012 50% reservation for women in rural local body introduced. Okay, that the provision was also there in our Odisha, according to the Odisha Gram Panchayat Act. Now you need to explore the what is the status of Odisha regarding the women reservation in rural local bodies. Okay, so this is how thing you have to remember, a very very important and very very hot topic for the upcoming examination. Okay, boys. Then other extra information, that community development program launched by government of India 1952. So in which year the community development program was launched? 1952. So in 1952 community development program was basically launched, and your homework, the which month in 1952 the community development program was launched. So you need to find the month. Okay, as much my memory, as per my memory, it is the month of October. It is the month of October. But my dear all, I would like to request to all, kindly do research that which month for the community development program and revert to me after that thing. Then National Extension Service established in 1953. In which year the National Extension Service was established in 1953. So what is the objective of the community development program? Now community development program objective what na, to check or to monitor the activity in the district level, in the district planning level. Okay, and I can provide you example like your Balbantara Mehta committee. Okay, your Balbanta Mehta committee was constituted with objective to review the activity of the community development program only. Okay, Balbantara Mehta committee, as I said, that which year Balbantara Mehta committee was constituted? 1957. Is it agreed? Okay, 1957, and it is constitute to review what, the community development program. केबे हिथिला community development program? 1952. Agree? Yes. So to review that, the Balbantara Mehta committee 1956 basically created. Okay, then also National Extension Service became important, 53, that you need to remember. Then another amendment, 64 constitutional amendment bill 1989, for the first time constitutional move for the PRI. जदि क्वेश्चन पचरा जाए ना प्रथम थर पाई केउ संविधान संशोधन आना जाइथिला कौन ना पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशन पाई, तो तुमको मन रखियार अछि 64 केते ना 64 का द्वारा हिथिला ना राजीव गांधी गवर्नमेंट, का द्वारा ना राजीव गांधी गवर्नमेंट 1989 रे 64 constitutional amendment act was introduced with objective to constitutionalize the Panchayat Raj institution. Getting my point? So this is how the few of important factual information with regard to the Panchayat Raj act with special reference to the Odisha. Okay. So a quick recap. What we have learned, that we have learned the Odisha claimed the first state to introduce the village panchayat, Odisha Gram Panchayat Act 1948, then amendment Odisha Gram Panchayat Act 1964, then Panchayat Samiti Act 59 and Jilla Parishad Act 59. Then 1991 Biju Patnaik Janata Dal introduced the Odisha Gram Panchayat Act 1991, Odisha Panchayat Samiti Act 1991, Jilla Parishad Act 1991. Under the Chief Minister of the Biju Patnaik, 33% reservation for women in Panchayat Raj institution provided under the Odisha Gram Panchayat Act 1991. And after the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1997, Odisha conducted the election for the Panchayat Raj institution, that is the PRI, and that time it was 5,261 panchayat. And your question is that how many panchayat currently in Odisha? How many panchayat are in currently in Odisha? That you need to research. Okay. Then, however, in 2012, Odisha introduced the 50% reservation for women in rural local bodies. Other extra information for your upcoming examination, that community development program launched by the government in 1952, National Extension Service established in 1953, and 64th Constitutional Amendment Act Bill 1989 for the first time a constitutional move for the PRI. So guys, this is all about from my side with respect to Panchayat Raj with a special reference to the Odisha. I hope तुमको भल लगी तुमने एथर बहुत इनफॉरमेशन पाई पार. इफ यू लाइक माय एफर्ट, डू सब्सक्राइब, डू प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड डू शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच एंड जय जगन्नाथ.